Hello, you guys. Hello, you guys, Chelsea fans. I want to talk about the Chelsea crisis right now in Stamford Bridge. It's not all about the coach. It's not all about the coach. Hey, you guys, when Chelsea go there and messed up a match performances, then call on Chelsea. I want to talk about what is going on in Chelsea board right now. If for my own understanding, I have been a Chelsea fan past decades now, and what is going on wrong in that dressing room is not all about the coach, it's about the players who have there. During time of Lampard and Terry, Drogba, people say that we have a mafians in these dressing rooms, but not mafians. We have responsibility qualities from different countries, teams, leaders. But right now, we don't have those players anymore in Chelsea. And it's still what's going on then is still going on now. And these players in Chelsea now, they cannot change any match. They cannot change any game in any time in pitch. Once they are down, they are already down. There's nothing they can do. When you look up the Chelsea bench, you see that people who have there cannot offer anything. I can call 11 players right away for you who don't deserve to be in Chelsea, who don't supposed to be in Chelsea first place. So if people should stop blaming Chelsea coach and Antonio Conte is the cause of the problems, it shouldn't be the cause of the problem. It should be the problem of the board. A whole Chelsea club, a woman manage. How do you look like when a woman manage economic? You look so rubbish. Man City is investing, Man U is investing, Liverpool is buying a defender £75 million. Where is Chelsea fans? Where is Chelsea board? What are they doing? They went there and buy a player from Everton who have never played 7 months for £50 million. How do you want to challenge the champion? How do you want to challenge the Champions League? I want to be a leader. You went to Giroud, a player Arsenal have put in on the bench for many, have never been a first 11. Chelsea, that's what Chelsea is going for. Morata have been in Real Madrid, Juventus, he's never been starting 11. But you guys put him as first 11 in Chelsea. You are bringing Chelsea down or you are making Chelsea to grow up. This is rubbish. If you go there and get another coach, the same thing is going to be happening. You people should wake up. If you're tired of the managing Chelsea, you sell it. There's people there who are going to afford it. We're going to make the fans to be happy. Every time we are paying money, watching the games, when we came home, we will be sad and put on the blame on the coach. What nonsense is that? A lot of players are supposed to be in Chelsea team. Gary Kay doesn't deserve to play in Chelsea. Bakayoko is not a footballer. Pedro doesn't supposed to play in Chelsea. Morata doesn't deserve to be in Chelsea bench. Jerome doesn't supposed to come near Chelsea training ground. Marcos Alonso doesn't deserve to play in Chelsea. Victor Moses doesn't supposed to play in Chelsea. Zappacosta doesn't supposed to come to Chelsea club for first place. Come on, you guys, what is going on there? What is going on? I'm not happy. I'm doing this video the first time from Paris. I'm so sad. I'm in working place right now. I'm saying what is my mind. I was so sad last night. I could even take that angry to my son because I was so angry. What is going on? You people putting on blame. Social media, journalists in London, every time they just putting on words on Antonio Conte. What guy is supposed to do? When he asked for Alonso Sandras, they gave him Emina. What is going on? When he asked for big players, they give him nothing. That is why Guardiola said it 2 years ago that Chelsea, if he want to be a Chelsea coach, they have to drop 10 players away from the Chelsea before he can come over there and start work. But look at the kind of players who have in Chelsea board, the kind of players who have. Pedro, what is he doing in pitch? Bakayoko, what is he doing in pitch? Drink water, does he supposed to play in Chelsea? Then take away a good someone who have scored 13 goals or no starting lineup in Chelsea. Bashua to Dortmund and gave what Jerome. What is Jerome supposed to offer? You guys need to wake up. If you're tired of being a Chelsea management, then set it off. Let someone from Qatar to come and buy the team. Let us have the fun. We are spending, we are just putting someone on credit every day. I'm so sad. I want to tell you guys. Go there. You people are living in London there. You have the fans there. You have to go and protest. And tell Abramovich to lift Chelsea if he's tired. You should sack that woman and call whatever you call Meliana stupid rubbish. You should go there and get away from the club. If it's husband's club, if it's his family's club, we don't care. You should go out there and get a player for us. If he's tired to be a Chelsea leader, if he's tired to manage Chelsea, then let him go. It's what is going on. Every time he sack coach, he sack Mourinho, he sack Ancelotti, he sack that, he sack this. Does it going to change? 1 year then came and took a league. What is going on? You people valued what just the managers work. That is first thing, not the players. That one player cannot disturb a team. That was going on in Chelsea. Then believe on those stupid guys on the pitch yesterday. When Antonio Conte left, you will see them play a good game. No one ready to mark. Even Hazard said he doesn't want to mark game. If you don't get the ball, you don't play. It's the only person I see in that pitch yesterday is Antonio Conte. It's only him working. Moses is already tired. He doesn't supposed to play in Chelsea. He's supposed to go back to Stoke City. And they want to challenge in big competitions. You guys have to say something. We have to go to the Stamford Bridge and tell them that we don't need you guys anymore. You people to change the team. If you don't want to change the team, if you don't have money to change the team, then you set up the team. We can't go. We are going back. Very soon we're going to be like Arsenal. 10 years we don't have anything, and we keep on buying coach, sacking him, paying him off. Those money are paying him off. Okay, you said Matic. What do you say, Matic? He buy a player back for 40 million, and he said the one you have to pay him 40 million. What is the need of selling and buying the same amount? Exchanging of player for no reason. Dortmund want Batshuayi, and Aubameyang want to go to Arsenal. One can't do exchange. Bring Aubameyang to Chelsea and let Batshuayi to go. You took Aubameyang to go to Arsenal. Now it's become a classic game. Look at what game, the last game they played against Everton. And now look at what's going on in Chelsea. Watford. And we are playing Manchester, Man City, Barcelona. And with these kind players in their Chelsea. Gary K doesn't supposed to put on Chelsea jersey. I have good 10, 11 players who doesn't supposed to be in Chelsea. What nonsense is going on? Then took away the Costa who have suffered last season to get us the league. You guys have to do something in London. They just come to social media every time. Analyzing a football, this happened to Chelsea. Aganta is gone. Aganta have to. This is not issue. The issue is the board. Even if Antonio Conte need a Peter Crouch, you guys don't know that Peter Crouch doesn't deserve to play football. You go there and get a good striker. Go there and get a good midfielder. They work with coach. You give him injured players. The 3 players you sign in this season is all injured. Injury players coming back from injury. When people are buying the players who are already establishing the team, who can bring something different in games like this. I want to talk about Hazard. Hazard, I think he's a big player. It's not the level of Neymar, Messi, Ronaldo. He can never. With this kind of performances every time. A good player like Neymar in Paris, I used to go to watch the game. When it's difficult, Neymar played 3 men's game in pitch. That is to show you that he's a world-class player. He changed game. He bring the game to the standard that, yeah, you will see him walking. But when with Chelsea is done, you can't see Hazard on the pitch. You can't see him in the pitch. Then you tell me you want to win a Ballon d'Or. What nonsense that? If you go to Madrid, you cannot even play football there. With this kind of performances. If you're tired to be a Chelsea player, you get away. You guys have to leave. I'm saying this video for the first time. As I said before, I am so hard, so angry. You can see I'm in working place right now. I'm just about to work. But I just want to shoot this video to tell you guys they stop coming to YouTube and saying whatever you like, social media. You London guys are just messing everything up. You are the cause of every problem there. What you're supposed to do in France, in Paris here, we go there and tell them, we don't need this. We protest. They will know that we are not happy. Not sitting on the YouTube here looking for likes. How many 500, 1,000 like, 10,000 like, making the money there, killing the career of everyone's. Anthony Conte, Anthony Kenta, team, can't you go there and tell them what is going on? They're saying in social media here, who want to like? Go to Stamford Bridge before the match there. You guys, assemble you guys there, speak your mind. Tell them what he doesn't like. He doesn't win it. If Abramovich is tired of spending money in Chelsea, if he's not making the money in Chelsea, then let him sell the team off. Let's have a good management. I believe some good guy from Qatar will come up and spend the money, invest the money, and give us what we want. Bournemouth beat 3-0 on Stamford Bridge. Now watch 4-1. Just imagine, just 3 days and say, is he going to play the game? Is not what he have is using. Can you bring a player who's just coming back from injury to play for Chelsea? Tell me what is the problem of coach? It's not the problem of coach. It's the problem of players and the board. If you decide to buy good players, then your team move. Use what you have. Forget what you want. You want to win a game. You want to win a Champions League. These calamitous players, these people who doesn't deserve to be a national team. Thank you guys. I'm so sad. That's why I'm making this video. I just want to see you. I don't need your comment. I just want you to listen to this video and put this angry conversation, angry word I spoke this morning. Sorry, I'm in French. I'm trying to speak a good English anyway. Just try to go there and speak to those board and tell them that, what you guys are doing is wrong. You guys have to wake up and go there and tell them that you people are wrong. You refuse to spend money because you want to be the star. Don't know who doesn't know when you're going to start a bar. You better remain in 45 capacity and work on those players in the pitch. Whenever the fans came over there to watch the football, it will be excited and it will be fun. And that any team come over there, we know that this is coming to a little small stadium, but the players there are very mighty. That is how we used to see Ballack then, Shevchenko in the Chelsea bench, Mikel Marco Essien, Drogba, Lampard, Leontelli, John Cole, Ashley Cole. That's our leaders in national teams who change every mental games. Matters then sued all our good players. Kennedy De Bruyne then said it out. Lukaku, what is going on with Chelsea board? And you are here telling me that it's coach when you don't give to coach what they deserve. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.